po ay pahayag ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin. No motive is more selfish than calling for a sitting president to be overthrown so that your daughter can take over. So ang kanyang pananaw doon sa sinabi ng dating Pangulo, patalsikin ng presidente.
Ang incumbent, si dating Pangulong Bongbong, para makinabang daw ay ang kanyang anak, si Inday Sara, bilang pangalawang Pangulo.
Eto pa,
succession.
And he will go to great and evil lengths, such as insulting our professional armed forces by asking them to betray their oath for his plan to succeed.
Oo. Ayun.
Structure in the governance sa ating Pilipinas. Walang makakorek niyan. Nobody can correct Marcos. Nobody can correct Romualdez. Nobody can long process mapapil sa Supreme Court unless you tira ka ng kaso doon. Matagalan yan. Next year pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance, there is no urgent remedy. So it is only the military who says. Kaya ang sabihin ko, Presidente ako, kita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin ang Presidente na in face of so many errors there, tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng brigade structure of government. It is only the military correction.
Ikatlong para po,
Ayan, no? Yung Tagalog,
nakakagulat ang garapalang panawagan ni dating Pangulong Duterte sa ating sadatahang lakas na maglunsad ng kudita laban kay Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Sana kinote nila kung ano yung panawagan na yun. Di ba?
Oo nga.
Ito po yung quote ng dating presidente.
Ito po yung kanyang boses. Gayon ng pinarinig natin. This administration will not shirk from its sworn duty to govern and manage the affairs of the Filipino nation according to the Constitution and the rule of law. It will defend its legacy before the Filipino people only by lawful means. The state will act resolutely to go against all unlawful attempts and challenges. Hindi katanggap-tanggap ang marahas na pang-aagaw ng kapangyarihan upang madaling maluklok bilang Pangulo sa pamamagitan ng pagpaslang, panggugulo at pag-aalsa. Maghintay kayo sa tamang panahon, sumunod sa tamang pamamaraan. Lucas